Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Thomas Jones concludes Silver Jubilee celebration. Bernard taken to Chief Judicial Magistrate. Government to place Vipay report in the House on August 9th. And School Week concludes with prize distributions. And now the news in detail. As part of the Silver Jubilee celebration of Thomas Jones College in Clariat, Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma, today the 5th of August 2022, informed that the college will be included in the special category of People's College for its contribution towards the society in imparting quality education to the youth of the area. Present at the program, which was chaired by W.E.H. Lamin, convener Silver Jubilee celebration, were Shri Wailatmiki Shilla, MLA 2nd Jowai, Dr. D.G. Lingdo, Principal TJSC, Reverend G.S. Leighton, Moderator KGP Synod Mingi cum Chairman, Governing Body TJSC, JHADC CEM, Shri Thombor Shiwan, West Janta Hills, SP Marak, PK Boro, West Janta Hills ADC, pastors, church leaders, teachers, students and all the special invitees. The CM also inaugurated the science which was financially funded by Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA.
And this cannot be done without the kind of passion that will require to do this. A lot of challenges must have come, I can't even imagine them. But here you are today completing 25 years, looking back at history and saying, wow, no matter what happened, we made it and we are here today. And therefore I take this opportunity to congratulate every single individual, every single member of the governing body, every single faculty, every single student, every single parent that has contributed to making Thomas Jones Synod College what it is today. And in spite of the challenges, you have done it.
The BJP MDC of Tura, Bernard Marak, currently under custody of Tura Police since July 28, is being produced in Tura Court today, Tura Police seeking another 6 more days of his custody. MDC Bernard will be produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class in Tura, and we are going to seek 6 more days of custody. We pray the court will give us the extension, said West Garo Hills SP V.S. Rathor. The Chief Judicial Magistrate had sent Bernard Marak to 8 days police custody after he was brought back to Garo Hills by special team of Meghalaya police from Uttar Pradesh, where he went into hiding despite court orders to surrender. After lookout notice issued, Bernard Marak was arrested by UP police, Meghalaya police sources say. Bernard was probably attempting to cross over to Nepal from UP. His non-bailable arrest was issued by the court after police raided his farmhouse and seized explosives, lethal weapons like bows and arrows, and rescued 6 minor children, of which 1 has been medically found to have been sexually assaulted. The raid was in connection with another case of sexual crime dating back to February 2022, when a minor girl was kept inside the farmhouse of Bernard Marak and raped repeatedly by a man. In this regard, Bernard was directed to cooperate with police by presenting himself before Sadar police station in Shillong, where he was presently staying. Instead, he fled to Guwahati and quietly boarded a flight to Delhi to escape arrest. Failing to get support from the BJP High Command, he disappeared to Uttar Pradesh, where he was intercepted by police and taken into custody and brought back to Tura to face the law. While speaking with the members of Kasur Kabri Uhanyutrap on August 5th, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed them that the government has decided to place the Chief Justice the Vipay's report of inquiry to the causes and circumstances leading to the killing of the surrendered leader of the band Hanyutrap National Liberation Council HNLC, Chesterfield Thank You, on August 13 last year in the floor of the Assembly on August 9th.
Bandawai gidi ke kai phat ketiwan ya long patient na kamtan kadi ka jing sa phat jubor jong ka jing jurang ba teng ni lalong mentaro ni long patient hado 9 of September tingin pe hang ko kai ka otong kai ka jing ni ling ba ketika kai phat ya ka ba table sa for house position but hadir ta lada kadon kabadhiang le singin ya kemen balada kadon kabajau ni hap banyak berkat buat banyak sedikit itu kini kalau ka assurance nakaliang jongi sok pai ba jung beri.
On August 5th, Grace Academy Secondary School held its final school sports week at Mulki Playground with final 100-meter race, singing and dancing competition and other entertainments. Reverend Pastor Bante Maupada was the chief guest. Present at the closing function were principal of the school, teachers, students, parents and well-wishers of the school. The principal informed that the main aim and purpose of the school week is to spot out young talents and to give the students a chance to develop their gift with courage and self-belief. Pastor Bante encouraged the students and teachers with words of blessing. He distributed prizes to the winners in various competitions.
Actually, we're having a school activity week to see the children's talent and to encourage them to participate in different activities. Of course, today we're having sports and we've seen that the children have been participating and enjoying very well, and we've really seen their talents, and we wish them the very best. Grace Academy is a school where we want our children to shine in life, not only in academic but also in sports and different activities. Thank you.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.